In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. This is a great tool for organizing schedules and ensuring that all team members are on the same page when it comes to important meetings, deadlines, or events. So, let's get started and make sure you have a seamless setup in about 5 minutes. First, we need to start by logging into Microsoft Teams. Open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials, such as your username and password, to gain access to your Teams account. If you encounter any trouble logging in, make sure you're using the correct credentials and reach out to your admin if necessary. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. There, you will see the calendar icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the calendar view, where you can manage your schedules and events. If you don't see the calendar option, you might need to expand your menu or scroll down slightly in the sidebar. Next, once you're in the calendar interface, direct your attention to the section labeled My Calendars on the left side. Here, you should right-click on it. This action will open a menu with various options related to your calendar management. From the menu that appears, select the option that says New Calendar Group. This is how you'll start setting up a brand new shared calendar. Creating a calendar group allows you to organize multiple calendars under one umbrella, making it easier to manage team schedules. After selecting to create a new calendar group, it's time to get creative and give your calendar a name. Think of a name that clearly reflects the purpose it's going to serve for your team. Having a descriptive name like Project X Timeline or Marketing Team Meetings can be really helpful to instantly convey the calendar's focus. Next, look to the top bar of the calendar window, where you'll find a series of 3 dots. This is known as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to open up additional settings and features for your calendar. Doing so will allow you to perform more detailed customizations. Now, let's add some team members to this calendar and set the appropriate permissions. This is a crucial step as you want to ensure that everyone who needs access can view or edit the calendar as necessary. Enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to share the calendar with and specify their permission levels, whether they can just view or if you want to grant them the ability to make edits. Finally, once you've added the team members and set their permissions, you'll want to make sure everything is shared correctly. Go ahead and click on the Share button to finalize the process. Congratulations, you've successfully created a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. This tool will undoubtedly enhance your team's coordination and productivity. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to set up a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams, a step that will make teamwork more streamlined and effective. Thanks for following along, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your work tools.